Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your avatar on the Zepeto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and then click on this avatar button at the top next to the settings button, and here you can see a bunch of sections. First of all, on the left side you can set the face option, and here you can select your avatar skin tone, its hair, the base, the face. You can select from further subcategories such as beauty spot, freckles, wrinkles, and so on. Then click on brows, eyes, nose, mouth. So within these bigger categories you can set or select from subcategories such as eyelid, contacts, and so on. You can also set filters. Here you can see them, and you can set the color by tapping on this color button down below on the right side corner of the screen. You can go to clothes by tapping on the clothing icon on the left side. You can see these new options and the inventories as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.